If you want to install the Google Play Store on your Hisense Smart TV, first check if your TV runs on Android TV OS. If it does, the Play Store should already be available in the Apps section. If your Hisense TV uses a different operating system like Vita or Roku, the Play Store isn't officially supported, but you can try an alternative method. Start by enabling unknown sources in the security settings if your TV allows it. Then download the APK file for the Google Play Store from a trusted source using a computer or directly on your TV's browser. Transfer the APK file to a USB drive and insert it into your TV. Use a file manager app to locate and install the APK, following any on-screen instructions. If your TV doesn't have a built-in file manager, you can download one from its respective app store. Once installed, open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account to start downloading apps. Keep in mind that this method may not work on all Hisense smart TVs, as some operating systems restrict third-party app installations. If you encounter issues, consider using an alternative app store like Aptoid TV or sideloading apps using an HUD, Android phone, and a screen mirroring or casting tool.